On the last slide, you should have highlighted the first sentence, red vines and Twizzlers are both sweet treats, however, red vines are better, in yellow. This is the main claim. The next part of meal is the E for evidence. Remember, the evidence should be a direct quote or a paraphrase from a source. If it's a direct quote, it needs quotation marks. A good way to know you're looking at evidence is if it has the name of the author, the name of the source, and quotation marks. On the next slide, you'll see the same red vines Twizzlers paragraph. So you're going to go down and get the highlighter tool and select red this time for evidence. And then find the evidence sentence and highlight the entire thing, including the author, the name of the book, the evidence with the quotation marks. After, don't forget to hit submit.